Hi. Today we will see how to implement a loader chip in a native Android app. I'm going to use a third-party API for this. I'm going to mention the GitHub profile link of the developer, who has created this amazing API for everyone. Please visit the profile, and show the developer some support. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, integrate this loader chip dependency. In the settings.gradle file, integrate this Maven setting. OK. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. These are the 4 loader chips. Let's see the UI code step by step. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the first loader chip. We are going to set most of the attributes of this chip via the Java code. So there is nothing special in this piece of UI code. Next, this is the second loader chip. The loader width is set to 8 dp. The loader style is set to bounce. There are various loader styles, like bounce, linear, overshoot, etc. The loader reverse effect is set to true. Let's see the next one. This is the third loader chip. Here, the loader style is set to overshoot. The loader color is set to blue. Let's see the next one. This is the fourth and the last loader chip. Here, the loader style is set to accelerate then decelerate. The loader color is set to orange. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first, we get the first loader chip instance. Then, we set up various attributes of that chip, like its start color, end color, main color, and duration of the loader lap. The should start loading on click attribute is set to true, so when I click the loader chip the animation will start. Finally, when the loader chip is clicked, I have shown a toast. Let's run the app. As you can see, various kinds of loader chips are running in our app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a loader chip in your Android app. Thanks for watching.